That was such a stressor for me. Like, what am I gonna do? Like, I can't run when my husband's not home. I don't have a jogging stroller, and I don't think I would want to use a jogging stroller. Okay. I have to figure out like how to do a run with my girls with me. So I joined LA Fitness like last week. They have a kids club that I thought it looked good, and I feel like my girls like it. Like, they've been there a couple times now and they love it. It's clean, it's a big space, it's not crowded. Like, there's only always like a couple kids in there with them, and they can be in there together. I have a 3.5-year-old and a 1.5-year-old. No snacks are allowed, but they can bring their water. And I just like can run on the treadmill for like 30 minutes.
And you don't bring snacks there.
Right, no snacks. So it's actually like such a good option. It stinks because it's so nice out and I have to like go inside. But like when you are training for something and you want to like get back into something, I get like you have to like make some sacrifices and you have to just like be on it no matter what the circumstances are. You just have to keep that discipline in mind. So it doesn't open till 4. It's like 3:45 right now. It takes like 5 minutes to get there. So we're just kind of killing time outside in the garage. And then we're gonna go to the LA Fitness, and I'll just kind of show you quickly what my workout is for the day, my running workout. It's my 2nd week running, so still getting back into the swing of things. So yeah, let's go.
Let's go.
Okay, we have made it to LA Fitness. My girls, it's 4 o'clock, so this is when the kids club opens. So my toddler, my 3.5-year-old really likes it, but my 1.5-year-old I feel like does not right now, but she's not in preschool or anything right now. So that's probably why. I'll put my shoes on. And in any second, my girls are about to freak out because we're not getting out of the car fast enough, but that's okay. We're going. Let's see here. Oops. Okay. What? Okay. Let's get you out of the car first, little girl. Oh, it's so heavy. So heavy, I swear. I don't know why I still use it, but it was expensive, so I don't want to get rid of it yet. If you know, you know. It's the Duna. It's obviously so helpful when you're in the baby phase, but when they get bigger, it's so hard and heavy to carry it. All right. Okay. Are you excited to go on the kids club?
Yeah.
No, we're gonna keep walking. We can't stop when we are in the street. And my toddler is always so excited to go in. I want to show Daddy. Oh, that was nice.
So cute.
Okay, I just dropped them off. They did not cry at all. My 1.5-year-old sometimes cries, but she did not cry at all. So I feel so much better. So now I feel like I can actually run and not be too worried about them, which is so nice. Okay, so let's go see what workout I'm gonna do on the treadmill. Not really sure. I think it's like a short run today since the other day it was like a longer run. So let's go do that. Okay, so the plan for right now is just a 15-minute recovery run. So I'm just going to run like at an easy pace, probably like close to 10-minute, 11-minute miles. So pretty slow, which is perfect. Like, I'm not trying to make this a hardcore workout. I'm just trying to get back into running. So that's why I'm gonna run slow. I don't want it to be like this crazy workout right now. So I'll probably just do the 15 minutes after I walk for a little bit, and then I'll walk for another 5 minutes after the 15 minutes. But it's not too crowded here, which is nice because it's such a nice day. I'm kind of sad to be inside right now, but that's okay. I'll probably spend the rest of the afternoon outside with my girls. So let's do this 15-minute run. Also, I just want to say how nice it is to like have a little break. Like I'm able to drop off my toddlers and they are with a babysitter in an environment I'm so comfortable with, and my treadmill is literally like right there, right by the kids club door. So this is just like so nice. I'm just watching like a YouTube video right now and I'm able to just like walk on the treadmill and just have a little bit of a mental break. It breaks up my day. So even if you're not like training for a marathon or you're not like trying to be super fitness right now, but you just like want a break, like I see some parents, they bring their laptops and they sit by the kids club door on with these tables and they just like work for a little bit. Like I don't know why I just now discovered this. It's so nice to have a little break and to do something like for me. Okay, just finished 15 minutes. Obviously I was walking a little bit before, but my running app on my phone says I did about a mile and a half, about 10-minute, 15-second average pace, which I was trying to push myself a little towards the end. So I got the speed up to like 6 or so. So I'm definitely out of breath and sweaty, but it was so fun. I was running to Dear Evan Hansen, waving through a window. Such a bop. Let's see. Hopefully this video helped or inspired you, even if you have kids, to like figure out what time of day. Maybe you could go to the gym and drop them off if it fits in within your budget or something. It's so nice to have like that space and like do something for yourself. So hopefully this helps somebody. Hi. Hi. How's it going? Hey guys, you ready to go? Let's go. No, that's not yours. Let's go. That's Kenzie's. Thank you. Where's your socks? And hold this. I would say that was a successful trip to LA Fitness. My girls were not crying. Everybody had fun. I was only there for like 45 minutes or so. And now it's like dinner time. And it'll be so nice to just like, hey, you have to hold on to the stroller. It'll be so nice to just like go home, have dinner, and then it's their bedtime. So yeah, if you're a mom and you're wanting to like get a workout in, like check out your gym's kids center. Hey, hold on to the stroller all the way, because it's so nice to be able to like go to the gym and then like have that space. It's just really crowded right now, honestly, but we're gonna get through it. My girls are just really tired, I think. So I would say that was a successful time. Okay. Hopefully I'm not cut off. So for dinner after my run, I'm having white rice with ground beef, which I season a lot.
What's that right there?
And then my favorite thing to put on top are these pickled red onions. You want to try some? I don't know if you'll like it.
Can I just try it?
They're so good. They're kind of expensive, if I'm being honest, but they just hit on top of like almost everything, I feel like. So I just add a bunch of those. You can try one. They're just little onions. You can try it. And then I guess it's kind of like a burger bowl I'm doing. You don't like it? My 3.5-year-old does not like that. And then I just add some shredded cheddar cheese.
Can I try cheddar cheese?
Yeah, you can have some.
Thank you.
And then of course we need some pickles, which this isn't like a specialty post-run meal or anything like that. This is what I have for dinner almost all the time, is I like to have ground beef and rice or a potato or something. And I'm so hungry. My stomach was growling so much because like when you start to get back into running, you get so hungry. Like I wasn't really working out at all before, like a week ago. And now I'm running and my body's probably just like, what's going on? So eating well, here's what it looks like. It's seriously so good. As long as you season your ground beef well, like heavily, and you add salt and all your favorite seasonings, it tastes good. And it's so easy. It's so much easier than chicken.
Yeah.
You don't like the cheese either. I'm excited to be back at the gym working out. I haven't been to like an LA Fitness in years, and I used to go all the time. Before kids, I was there daily, every day. But almost like in an unhealthy way, because I was so obsessed with like how I looked. And I still care, but like once you have kids, like your priorities shift. So I just wasn't making time for it either, which isn't good. But now that I know they have that kids club and they can be in there safely and I am comfortable with it, and it's clean and it's big and it's bright, like it's nicer looking than some of like the daycares I used to tour when I worked corporate. I had to send my first daughter to daycare, and some of them were like so depressing. So this was just like so nice. And the girl that works there, she's younger, probably in college or maybe even in high school, I don't know, but she's so nice. Which is good too. Like when you like the people that are working there, it just makes it so much better. So now that I am trying to train more and train for the marathon, I do need to like be a little more particular about what I eat, at least pay more attention to how it makes me feel instead of just eating whatever, whenever, and not really thinking too much about it. Like I do want to be a little more intentional with my choices, because I know eating better will make my runs better. And like that's common sense, I feel like. So I usually have like Oreos or something, some sort of chocolate after I have dinner while I watch like 90 Day Fiancé is what I've been watching. Just I feel like it's so important to have carbs when you're a runner too. And I'm not afraid of carbs, especially because I was like vegan at one point and I was eating a lot of carbs. Now I'm not any diet. I don't follow any diet. I just eat. I try to be like more mindful and intentional when I'm like working out, like with what I'm eating, like how it makes me feel, but I'm not like strict like this diet or like macro counting or something. I will have none of that. Not after years and years of like dieting and counting calories and obsessing over my body, mostly like my stomach, but in my arms. I remember I like obsess over my calories. Like I would do my macros over and over and over again and analyze it, like treat it like hard facts, like hard numbers, like so crazy to me. But I was gonna say, going to LA Fitness, like it's a perfect amount of time to like get a little bit of a break from my girls and like focus on something for me, which in this case is gonna be focusing on training for the marathon. And today was like the most pretty nice day outside. Like it's February and it was like 60 degrees and sunny outside, like so nice. But my husband's at work, so like I can't run outside, unfortunately. But like I at least had the option to go to the gym. I don't know why I didn't think to do this earlier. I really don't. But I think it's a good time because now I have a 3.5-year-old and a 1.5-year-old, so they're not too little. They said like the youngest they would take somebody is like 3 months old. It's like, that's really young. I signed up for LA Fitness through my insurance, so it was a little cheaper. Like I didn't fully crunch the numbers, but I could kind of gauge like, okay, if you do it through insurance, it's a tiny bit cheaper because the initiation fee, at least for me, was waived. But if I would have signed up directly through LA Fitness, it was going to be like an $100 initiation fee, or you can like make the initiation fee cheaper, but then pay more per month. I don't know. They like trick you kind of, but my insurance, it's like $40 a month. And I don't only have to go to LA Fitness, my LA Fitness. I can go to like all these other gyms that they listed out. Like granted, I would have to go there to each gym and like sign up to be there, but which is kind of annoying because the salespeople are kind of annoying. But like at least it's an option. Not that I would maybe do that much, but at least it's an option, like to change it up or something. I just really like LA Fitness because of the kids thing, and it's so affordable. So $15 per kid per month, so $30 per month. That's so cheap, and like they can go whenever. Like I think it's so worth it. Like that's such a good way to get out of the house and take care of yourself. I know then you also have to pay for like, you know, the membership, so it can be pricey, but if you have wiggle room with your budget, like I think it's so worth it. Like I was so excited to be there, being around other people working out. It just like motivates you, because being a runner, sometimes you just go by yourself when you go outside, but so you're like running by yourself, listening to music. But when you're there, you feel a little bit more like, oh, other people are here, and you can like look around, and I just like that. I just like being around other people when I work out. I'm not gonna run all the time on the treadmill because that's kind of boring. Like it's kind of hard to stay engaged when you're running on the treadmill. You're kind of like, okay, is this almost done? Because the time is like right there on the dashboard of the treadmill. But I would say it was a good run because it was only 15 minutes. Taking it easy. I'm gonna try out a different app called Runna. I've seen a lot of ads for it. I don't even fully know what it is. I think they make plans for you, similar to what I use now, which is Nike Run Club. But I think you have to pay, so we'll see how much it is. But once you like get going and you have a plan, like for me, my plan was LA Fitness, like on days where my husband's not home and I have to run. Like that's like my little thing in my head. Like that's what I'm doing. That's where my girls will go play. It's like easy breezy, done. Like that's checked off. Like, cause that was such a stressor for me. Like, what am I gonna do? Like I can't run when my husband's not home. I don't have a jogging stroller and I don't think I would want to use a jogging stroller. So like, I was like, shoot, what do we do? But now I have an option. I just think it's such a good idea. And like I saw some parents like working, like a dad like dropped his kid off and then I saw him like on his laptop. I was like, actually, that's kind of smart. But yeah, I'm gonna finish dinner and then it's bedtime, right? Almost.